Hey guys, Pat here at All Day Like a Shark, where I share my Japanese cooking videos once a week, showing you how to cook Japanese food. Today what we're going to be doing is something a little bit different. We're going to be making some granola. I'm going to be doing some camping and hiking, and I wanted to have a snack that I could take with me on the go. And we're going to do one of my go-to granola recipes. We're going to use olive oil, maple syrup, and brown sugar as the primary flavor ingredients with a little bit of vanilla. I have 6 cups of rolled oats here. We're going to do a cup of almonds, a cup of walnuts, about a half cup of wheat germ, and then I guess a quarter cup of coconut seeds, coconut flakes. And we'll throw in maybe about a half teaspoon of cinnamon and a half teaspoon of salt. I guess we can just start with the salt since it's already in there. Just use my stand mixer to mix everything together. The cinnamon as well. Get our spices out of the way. Sometimes I like to put cardamom in. Green cardamom, that is. It adds a nice little kick, but not everybody likes cardamom. Let's dump all this wheat germ in, so I'm cleaning out my pantry at the same time. It's always nice to get rid of some of the things that you've had for a while and make space for new things. There's the wheat germ, and then coconut, full cup of almonds, and then a full cup of walnuts. So there's that. So if you've never made granola before, it's one of the easiest things you could bake. All you have to do is mix the ingredients and then bake. Generally, I think the low heat for a longer time recipes taste a little bit better. Just my opinion. So here's the sugar, and make sure that you have all the clumps broken up just in case, unless you want clumps of sugar in your final product. And then we'll do a half cup of maple syrup and a half cup of olive oil. That was a little bit more, but it's all good. So here's extra virgin olive oil to make it a little bit healthier. The other favorite recipe of mine is with brown butter and pomegranate molasses. It's so delicious, but it has a lot of butter. Tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is a half tablespoon, so we'll do 2 of these. 1, 2. And we'll just mix everything together. Make sure it's locked. Okay, so this looks like it's just about done. We're gonna use some dried apricots for the fruit. Last time I did raisins, today we're gonna do apricots. Just like to change things up. Be careful so that it doesn't spill. You wanna use 2 baking sheets. I like to use the rim one so it doesn't spill when you mix, because it's important in order to get the granola to bake evenly, to rotate or turn everything over about halfway through. So if you're not sure how sweet it's gonna be, make sure to taste it just like I did right now. Also make sure that everything is evenly mixed. It should last a couple weeks for sure between 2 people. So this is how it looks. Get all that extra olive oil and maple syrup out. Close that. So I use parchment paper to make it easy to clean up. That way you just take out the paper and throw it away. And then you want to just spread it about half and half as evenly as possible. You want there to be some space so that it bakes instead of steams. Just like when you roast vegetables, you don't want to leave them all right next to each other. All right, so we'll bake this for about an hour or so until it turns lightly golden brown in color. And we want to make sure to rotate it. Turn it over with a spatula about halfway through so it doesn't get burnt and that it cooks evenly. So let's go ahead and put these into the middle rack. Question of the day, so if you've made granola before, let me know what your favorite recipe is or what you like to put in your granola. Leave me a comment below, and if you've never made granola before, get ready to get your house smelling delicious. So I will see you back in about an hour, and see you in a bit. Alright guys, so my granola has finished baking, and I'm just gonna mix in some chopped apricots. This is about a cup's worth. So break apart any large chunks. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. Here's my maple brown sugar granola with a little bit of apricot, some walnuts, and almonds, and olive oil to keep things healthy. If you like this video, let me know with a comment or a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already and you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. See you later.